Welcome back. A milder weather pattern starts today and it continues really for the next 5 days or so. Above freezing temperatures, and Friday is going to be something, especially through the afternoon. That temperature, even by 11 o'clock tonight, we're sitting at about 4 degrees under clear skies. Good viewing of the Geminid meteor shower, which peaks tonight. So if you can get out there, you may see some shooting stars. Winds, however, will be brisk, still from the west at 20 to 30 kilometers per hour, same as what we're seeing through the afternoon hours with a mix of sun and cloud. Now, across Canada, the Arctic air is way up to the north. Minus 14 in Yellowknife. 6 in Vancouver, 2 in Calgary. We're at minus 2 in Winnipeg, which is very mild for the middle of December. 4 degrees in Chicago. It is colder as you get into southern Quebec and into the Maritimes. Minus 9 in Quebec City, minus 6 in Halifax. So that's where some of the coldest temperatures are in the east. But it's in for one day and out of here. And you can see the outline of the ridge as these clouds, the jet stream, way up to the north here and then sinking south. So that's where the mildest temperatures are, and that will be moving overhead as we go through Friday afternoon. Winds are already picking up from the southwest, and that'll be the case for the next 36 to 48 hours. You see these lines. This is isobars, and the closer they are together, the stronger the winds. Bright sunshine until you get into the Ottawa Valley and into southern Quebec. Unfortunately, I think the clouds hold tough on Friday here, so it won't be quite as warm for those areas. But for the rest of us, those high temperatures really soar. 10 degrees Friday, 5 with clouds on Saturday, 7 but steady rain expected throughout the day Sunday. 7 degrees with lingering showers or maybe some wet flurries Monday, and then it does cool off later next week. For Montreal, here too, warming up to 6 on Friday, 9 on Monday, but heavy rain is in the forecast. Candace?
Thanks so much, Anthony, and thank you at home for tuning in.
Weather is brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. For brakes, tires, oil, everything. Midas will keep you safe and on the road in all weather conditions.
It's clearing up, but it's not going to cool down. This time of year, when you lose that cloud coverage, you usually see temperatures start to drop. You don't get that blanket holding that surface heat close to us. It all vanishes and we get a lot cooler. But because high pressure that's clearing things up here in the south, we're looking at some pretty decent conditions. Tomorrow is going to be a banner day. We've got clearing tonight, mild. It won't drop below freezing. Sunny and mild tomorrow. On the windy side, though, you're going to see gusts up to 50 or 60 k. And then come Saturday, the cloud settles in. In fact, it gets started overnight Friday. And then still mild, somewhat. And you've got a chance of showers Sunday, still on the mild side. But come Monday, your high will be pretty good in the morning, pretty much what you had overnight Sunday, and then temperatures start to drop, and any probability of precipitation left over will probably be flurries, especially through the evening. You're looking at flurries. So you're going to have that transition on Monday sometime in the afternoon if the precipitation holds up, where it could be a little dicey, greasy on the roads. 4 degrees for highs in Kingston and Brockville, a 3 for Smiths Falls, 1 in Ottawa. We had a 5 in Belleville, 3 in Peterborough, 5 in Oshawa and Toronto, both. Everybody above normal. 0 is now the daytime high you should be getting for Kingston. 4 degrees is what we're sitting at now, and those southwest winds persist at 24 kilometers per hour, reported at the top of the hour from Norman Rogers Airport. We're looking at, no precipitation now. Things are fairly calm. You got light to moderate winds. Those winds are going to pick up tomorrow, and here's why. Got a pretty strong warm front. This low is in the north, so it's not a direct hit, but we're reaping the benefits of its warm front, and that's the temperature climbing. High pressure in the south has opened that gateway, sort of fortifying this warm front, bringing in warm, moist air out of the Gulf of Mexico. There are a couple low-pressure systems that are phasing here, and they're heading our way. It comes Sunday, the probability of showers starts to brew, like a 30% through the afternoon. It isn't until Sunday that we really see that probability grow. And it will be wet. It won't be white, not for a while anyway. We will see temperatures drop off significantly in the, following that. So this is what we're looking at now. There's not much going on at all. Clear, nice, strong high pressure from the south. We will find that that little troughing from the north brings in a little bit of cloud over Saturday, and then look out for that probability of showers to roll in overnight Saturday and into Sunday. And it grows over Sunday and into Monday too. So Belleville, it's a high of 9 with mainly sunny conditions tomorrow. Those west winds gusting to 40. Saturday, high 4 and cloudy skies. You won't see that chance of showers till a little later. Sunday, a high of 8 and yes, showers. Brockville up to 8 degrees and a mix of sun and cloud tomorrow. West winds gusting to 40. And for Saturday, it's a high 2, mostly cloudy, up to 7 degrees on Sunday. And you'll see those showers developing in the afternoon and continuing through the overnight. Smiths Falls rising to 8 Celsius tomorrow with a mix of sun and cloud. Your winds not quite as strong, light breezes. Saturday, a high 2, mostly cloudy. And for Sunday, up to 7 degrees. And you will see the showers developing probably late afternoon, early evening, and continuing overnight. Kingston, your forecast, mainly sunny and a high of 8 degrees tomorrow. Pretty blustery. Those winds gusting up to 50, maybe a little stronger right along the waterfront. Saturday, it's a high 3, mostly cloudy. A high of 7 for Sunday and into Monday, still up to 7, but you're going to find those temperatures drop off. So the showers you see continuing from Sunday to Monday, they'll start to chill and turn to flurries later in the day. Through the evening, still hanging on to about a 40% chance of flurries. By Tuesday morning, though, it's over. And cool, a high -3, a mix of sun and cloud. Wednesday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high 1, -1 for a high. On Thursday, as winter arrives, a mix of sun and cloud. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
This one comes from Bev Jack of Canifton. It's the Belleville area. And that's Floyd. Floyd loves the Christmas tree.
Floyd.
Yes. I haven't met a cat yet that didn't love Christmas trees to the point where it wanted to get in there, climb up in there. But I just love the way he's positioned himself between the two decorations like that. It looks like it was meant to be. Lovely shot. Thanks, Bev, for sharing with us. If you've got photos to share with us, we'd love to see them. It's that time of year where we ask you to dress your pets up. And here, you didn't have to force that cat to crawl up the tree. What a lovely shot. Send them to us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
Yes, Floyd looking festive in their natural habitat, which at this time of year is a Christmas tree or near there, right?
Yes.
A lovely picture. And Bill, speaking of which, Trenton is the latest stop on your Holiday Lights tour. Can you give us a preview of what you're going to be talking about tomorrow?
Yes, well, we go to 23 Johnson Road in Trenton. We're going to be speaking with Jason Wood and Rebecca Colley, the owners of the residence, and what a spectacular display. Animatronics, flashing lights, all kinds of stuff. Very busy, and it's getting a lot of attention in the neighborhood.
Fine detail, too, for an outdoor display. Normally that would be, a lot of it would be indoors, but look at the little
Santa helped out with the decorations. You can see he's stringing the lights up there.
Okay, so watch for that tomorrow around this time.
You bet.
On CKWS News at 6. And we will look for your 10-day outlook a little bit later. Thank you, Bill. Well, we are getting closer to Christmas, especially when you look at the 10-day outlook, Bill, which I guess takes us right to Christmas Eve now.
That's correct, too, and we'll see a big drop in temperatures as we get there. Sunny tomorrow and a high of 7. I know it's hard to believe it'll be that mild. 3 on Saturday, mostly cloudy conditions. We see some showers developing on Sunday with a high 7, up to 7 again Monday, but that comes early. Temperatures don't really drop very far Sunday night, and we reach that daytime high on Monday quite early in the day. Throughout the afternoon, temperatures drop, and so any chance of showers could turn to flurries. Tuesday, it's cool, -3, mix of sun and cloud. More of the same on Wednesday with a high 1. Highs of -1 over Thursday and Friday as the sunshine sticks around. And Saturday, a high 1 and sunny. And yes, by Sunday of next week, a high of 2, a 40% chance of mixed precipitation for your Christmas Eve.
So I think at this point, The white Christmas is just not going to happen.
Doesn't look like it.
Doesn't, not at this
No.
point, no, not unless things change drastically.
And it's been a few years, right, since we haven't really had a white Christmas.
Well, last
We had a
year
really
was
white one last
the
year.
Yeah, that was
the
a
super
blizzard.
white one. That was like it all came. We didn't have anything. And winter just all came in 2 days. It was
yes,
crazy.
I remember that. But now the lawns will still be.
I was expecting to
uncovered.
see Krampus marching up the street or something. It was crazy.
Yeah, the roads were closed.
I know.
Yeah.
People were in the ditch. It was terrible.
But as we transition officially into winter, Bill, you know that can change pretty quickly too, right? I mean, that is a 10-day outlook.
Yeah,
So
the farther your
Yeah.
reach, the farther you look ahead, the greater probability or uncertainty that it will change.
But right now, it looks like if you're traveling on the Friday or Saturday leading into that long Christmas weekend there, it looks good looking at it right now.
Yes, it does. It looks quite nice, actually. Pleasant for driving. Roads should be in good condition.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Your long-range weather